Hello YouTube and friends. Today we will discuss about ELK stack. If you have watched my previous episode or video, by now you would have understood what is meant by Elasticsearch. So we will discuss about L and K in depth in this video. L stands for Logstash and K stands for Kibana, and the whole is called ELK stack, which is Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana. That's why it's called ELK stack. Or all of these are interrelated and interconnected. That is why it's called a stack. Now, Logstash, as you can read here, Logstash is a log aggregator that collects data from various input sources. By this it meant that input sources could vary. They could be log files, they could be MySQL, they could be MongoDB, or they could be JSON data or CSV. So that is called input sources. Executes different transformations. That means it transforms the input data to the desired, which we specify in what is called logstash.configuration file. We will discuss more about it in depth in our subsequent episodes. So it executes transformations and enhancements and then ships the data. That means after processing this transformation and enhancement, it pushes in the data to various supported output destinations. Technically, this is called indexing. Then, what is Kibana? Kibana is a visualization layer that works on top of Elasticsearch, providing users with the ability to analyze and visualize the data. So Kibana is nothing but an analyzer and visualizer for the data. We can say it's a GUI. And there is one more term coming in which is called beads. So beads are lightweight agents that are installed on edge hosts. Beads are lightweight agents that are installed on edge hosts to collect different types of data for forwarding into the stack. So they are almost like Logstash, but they have specific functions. There are many beads, but we won't be discussing beads in this playlist because that is a bit more advanced topic. So if you comment that you like my video and subscribe, of course I can do more advanced topics in ELK, which includes beads. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and support it. So that completes about ELK stack. Now they are telling why is ELK stack so popular. As you can see, the graph is growing up year by year. So the interest in the industry is going up. So what they are telling is that ELK stack is popular because it fulfills a need in the log management and analytics space. Monitoring modern applications and IT infrastructure, they are deployed on requires a log management and analytics solution that enables engineers to overcome the challenge of monitoring what are highly distributed, dynamic and noisy environments. That means what they are talking is if the data is very complex, ELK stack helps the engineers or the end users to monitor the data in a proper way. Let it be a chunk of data or let it be real-time data. ELK stack helps by providing users a powerful platform that collects and processes data from multiple data sources that we have discussed already. ELK stack is open source and then we can use it in any industry because industries support open source. And they are further discussing about log analysis, what is the importance of log analysis and all. So you can just Google it and read it. So here is one of the most good diagrams they have put here. Beads is for use data collection, which we won't be discussing now. We start off with Logstash, which is data aggregation and processing. Then it is pushed into Elasticsearch, which is indexing and storage. Elasticsearch has its own data storage capabilities, and then further on, once the indexing and storage is done, this is analyzed by Kibana and visualized as well. So they are discussing further on more complex systems like Kafka, RabbitMQ, Redis, and Nginx. Of course, we'll touch a little bit portion of Nginx to serve Kibana in the Nginx at the local host. So that is the overall of ELK. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Penang Teams, and like it. Press the bell button for latest updates from my channel. Thank you for watching.